Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be guiding you through how to download Edge crypto and Bitcoin wallet application on your iPhone. So let's dive in straight into the video without wasting our time. Go ahead and open your app store and then go to the search box and type in Edge. Once you make a search for it, look for this application from Airbits Inc. that says Edge Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet. Tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application and wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your device. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you will be able to open the app on your device whenever you want. And that's how you should be able to download the Edge Crypto Wallet application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.